Tomorrow we are flying out of Austin, Texas and officially going to Europe, so I thought I'd show you everything I'm packing for this Europe trip. I'm so excited to share this with you guys because I don't think I've ever made a video like this, but I've been traveling full time for the past 5 years now. And throughout this time, I've really honed in on my travel essentials, my camera gear, and also clothes, and how to pack in the most efficient and organized way. So I feel like I have a lot to share, and let's just dive right into it. First, I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm packing and bringing to the airport. This is the set that I'm going to wear because I tend to get a little cold on the airport. This is a sweater set from Organic Basics. I also like to wear some of my more bulky items like this sweater set because then I don't have to deal with the weight in my luggage. So this is the top, it's a zip up, and then I have the pants. I'm going to bring this bag, and then I have my Adidas Gazelles. A lot of you guys know I'm vegan. These shoes are not vegan. I got them secondhand. I like to give things a second life, and to me it doesn't matter if it's leather or not as long as it's secondhand. I'm not supporting those businesses, but that's just a random segue. Let me show you what's in this bag. This is pretty obvious. Anytime you travel, you obviously need your passport internationally. I have a nice little passport case that has an air tag in it. If you guys have been following along for long enough, you would remember when my partner Tori lost her passport in Japan. And ever since then, we got these passport cases, which hopefully nothing ever happens, but just in case it does, we have an air tag on it. I also have my little wallet. This is just a very simple, small one. I really like small wallets because I don't really put that much in my wallet, and then I can just keep track of it and put it in small little bags. And then I have my lip gloss. I am such a big fan of Summer Friday. This one's almost out, so I actually have another one as well. And then I have this hand sanitizer. Really good for airports so you don't get sick. I always am prone to getting sick while traveling. And this is a lavender smell, lavandula. It smells really good. This bag has 2 pockets. So one pocket's here, the second pocket is here. In this other pocket, I have these body wipes from the brand Uni. Our flight, I believe, is like 9-10 hours, and then we have 5 hours of driving. So during that time, it's really nice to have a body wipe. Obviously, I don't have access to a shower, but this just keeps me feeling nice and fresh while traveling. And then I also tend to get dehydrated, so I'm bringing some liquid IV. And I just really love to smell good. When I'm traveling, I hate smelling bad, so I'm bringing my perfume in my bag. I have been using amber oil perfume since I believe I was like in high school, and I don't think I will ever use anything else. It is my absolute favorite scent. When Tori and I first met, that was one of the first things she noticed about me. She was like, "You smell really good," and it's this, if you're wondering. I have a pair of sunglasses. I also might bring this one as well. And then I have Salt & Stone deodorant because, again, I really don't like smelling bad on the flight. Trust me, try it, you won't regret it. Next thing is this Quip toothbrush. This is my first time trying it. I got this cute lavender color though. I really love vibrating toothbrushes, so this one vibrates, and that's why I got it, because it's easy, it has a little cap. And so I'm gonna bring this and toothpaste so that I can brush my teeth on the flight. I brought this mini Youth to the People moisturizer so that I can keep my face moisturized on the flight. So that is everything that I am bringing in this bag. One thing I'm doing to save money and stay safe on this trip to Europe is getting an eSIM. I used Airlo when I went to Japan on our last trip, and I loved it so much, so I'm going to be using Airlo again for this trip. Airlo is so easy to use because they provide digital SIM cards for over 200 countries and regions, which means you no longer need to deal with waiting for a package and bringing a tiny SIM card around with you. With Airlo, you don't need to pay roaming fees or wait in lines at the airport to purchase a local SIM card. I used to spend a lot of time at coffee shops to use their Wi-Fi for work, and now I don't have to do that, so I'm also saving money by not going to as many coffee shops when I travel. To get your eSIM, all you need to do is download the Airlo app, choose an eSIM plan based on your destination, install the eSIM, and activate it when you arrive. Airlo is the first and leading eSIM store on the market, and it's trusted by 10 million travelers worldwide, including all of my family and my partner Tori. I myself have been using Airlo for years, and I've used it while traveling to over 5 countries. It makes this part of traveling so much easier, stress-free, and it also saves me money, which I love. So if you're interested in using an eSIM for your next trip, download Airlo today and use my code SARAHY3 to get $3 off your first eSIM. I will also be bringing this camera backpack. You guys know I'm a full-time videographer and photographer, so camera gear is very important to me, and over the years I've really honed in on what I believe is the best camera gear for traveling. For traveling, you want it to be lightweight, you want it to be small, but you obviously want it to be very good quality and it to be robust enough for all the adventures you're gonna go on. So I really love all the camera gear I have. It's all stored in this backpack, which is by the brand Brevity. I have had this backpack for years. I absolutely love it. I think it's amazing. In the back, you have a compartment for your laptop. So this is where I store my MacBook. I will be needing to work and edit on this trip, so that's a really nice, safe location for that. And then I also have this little front pocket. So this is what I will be doing and just having for when I'm on the flight and I'm bored. I have this little journal. I really love journaling when I'm traveling. I feel like I get so much creativity through traveling. And then I have this Italian book, which is just common phrases. We have this from our last trip to Italy. And oh, we actually have a year. I just found money. €5. So we have some money in here that I just found out about. And yeah, we used that on our last trip to Europe. I really love learning phrases. In Italy, it's very easy to get around knowing English, but I personally really love to like learn at least a little bit of any language anywhere that I'm traveling to. So I know like a lot of the common phrases in Italian, and it's one of my favorite languages, so I want to brush up on it while I'm on the flight. Then I'm also bringing this tripod. This is my absolute favorite tripod that's very like compact and small. I am also bringing a full-size one that is by the brand ProMaster. This is also the brand ProMaster, one of my favorite brands for camera accessories. This little tripod has 3 legs. They pull out like that, and you can also extend it. It also has a phone adapter, so you can put your phone right in here. Now in the main pocket, this is where like the majority of my camera gear is. I have my little camera. I have this little camera because it's just a lot more easy to bring around, especially in the city, but I will also be bringing my main camera, which I'm filming on, which is the A7 IV. And on my main camera, I have the DJI lavalier mics, and I also have this camera. I recently got it just because I wanted a smaller one to be able to like vlog and be a little more discreet, because my big one is quite big. It draws a lot of attention. This is the Sony ZV-1, and I have a little faux leather case I keep it in. I'm also bringing my hover drone. I also have this little case with my SD cards, and I have these little SD card cases in the colors red, blue, and I also have clear, and they're organized based on storage space. So clear means that it's completely empty and ready to use. Red means that it's full, and those are ones that I need to edit. And blue means that it's like in the middle of shooting on this SD card. There's still room, but there's still things on it as well. I also got this portable charger, and I think that this is the best portable charger I've found so far. It also comes with an adapter for Europe. That's basically it. Nothing too exciting in this outermost pocket. Now let's move on to the really fun stuff, which is my checked bag. Oh my god. This is so big. Okay. It feels massive to me because I don't usually bring check-in bags, but it's honestly a pretty standard bag. This is a July suitcase. I recently got this suitcase this last year, and I love it so much. I actually got it, and I've been sharing it with my mom because she's obsessed with it too. So whenever she goes on trips, she takes my suitcase instead of hers. July has these packing cubes. So the suitcase is brown and these packing cubes match the suitcase, which I really like, but I'll show you what's in each one. I really love packing cubes. I swear by them. I feel like it's the best way to organize. This is probably one of the bigger packing cubes. This is what I have all my jeans, pants, and like trench coats in. First off, I have a pair of white jeans. These are the brand Rolas. I absolutely love them. They're the sailor white jean. These are from the brand Madewell. Madewell jeans are really expensive, but they're really good, honestly. And I actually got these ones on sale, and they hemmed it for me because I'm a short gal, I'm 5'2". And then I'm bringing 2 trench coats. This is one, I actually borrowed this from my mom because I don't have that many trench coats. Like, I've lived in a van for the past few years, so obviously it's not really like a regular thing that I need in my wardrobe. And then this, I'm actually borrowing from my sister. This is from Zara, and it is a gray trench coat. In this main compartment, I also have candy corn. My friend is from Austria and she's never been to America or tried American candy, but she really wanted to try candy corn. I hate to disappoint her. I actually think this stuff is absolutely disgusting, but we did buy it for her just so she can try it. Laura is tasting candy corn for the first time because she's never been to America. I don't like it, but Maddie says she likes it.
I used to.
Or used to, yeah.
If I would be into that.
So
it
we'll
smells
see.
like plastic, but also sweet plastic.
Oh yeah, it's kind of like plastic sugar wax.
It's like eating plastic.
So hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plastic.
I haven't tried it in a long time.
Oh, spit that right out.
I like it.
Wait.
Yeah.
I love that.
Nice.
That makes sense.
Spooky season is done.
Yeah.
I also brought some gifts for my friends. I made them all jewelry. I recently this year started my jewelry brand up again. That's the necklace that I'm wearing as well. I need to launch another collection when I get back from Europe, and I will make some, but everything was so chaotic before we flew to Europe. I got sick. We had to like finish the van builds and stuff, but I will be making more. I did just make a few just as a surprise gift for my friends because I feel like I'm missing their birthdays. Most of my friends are in Europe now, and so yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to like have something special for them since we have been apart for so long. It's fall, so it's gonna be a little chilly in some areas, and I have a large variety of weather that I need to account for and also experiences because we're gonna be rock climbing in France and we're gonna be doing a lot of city things in Italy and going to the beach in Croatia. So yeah, it's such a large variety of things and weather. This is kind of hard to pack for, but this is a little dress set and it's so cute on. It's from Free People. I feel like it's really cute. And I actually have two more dresses from Free People as well. This one was the only one in the sale section. I immediately bought it because I thought it was so cute. It has these little red details and these little floral patterns all the way down and like ruffles on the bottom. And I feel like it's just different than anything I have. And I really thought it would be so cute in Europe. And then I have this dress. This is from Daughters of India. They're a sustainable brand, and the people that own this company, or like at least the people that I've contacted from this company, are seriously some of the sweetest people on planet Earth. They are just so sweet. Their dresses are so beautiful. This is the second dress I have from them, and you can just tell how high quality it is, how much love has gone into it. So I'm really excited to bring that and be able to wear that. And then I have this purple set. I think this is pretty fun because this top actually like opens in the front and it goes all the way down. And then there's matching pants. And these pants are really comfortable. I actually wear them as pajamas sometimes. This is the last packing cube on this side, and this is swimsuits for Croatia. I brought one white set. I love that it's just like a sleek white. And then I have this pink bikini set from Kulani Kinis. I brought a bunch of like underwear and bras from Organic Basics. I really love Organic Basics because they're so soft and they use really high quality cotton. So that's really nice. And then my favorite socks are Free People. They're really soft and they go really well with one of the shoes that I brought. The last two things on this side of the suitcase are like toiletries and makeup. This is my makeup bag. So these are my makeup brushes. I have some Tweezerman tweezers, which is the only brand of tweezer that I personally love. Rare Beauty mascara, Well People bronzer, Rare Beauty blush, and these are all vegan and cruelty-free. And then Makeup by Mario foundation. Another thing I have in my makeup compartment is this Cadence capsule. It says my name Sarah on it as well, and they actually magnetize to each other if you have a few of them. This one has all of my jewelry in it, but you can put like face wash in it, you can put moisturizer. They're really nice. But yeah, I just brought like a few different pieces of jewelry. I'm a gold girl, so all gold, but I have earrings, necklaces, everything that I have fits in this little capsule. And then this is my toiletry bag. This is the brand Bag Smart. It's a water resistant toiletry bag. And then inside this I have a makeup remover pad. It's reusable. I've had this for so many years. You literally just throw it in the wash, but it does such a good job at removing makeup. It's actually kind of crazy because you just put some hot water on it and everything comes off. They're incredible. I'll link this down below as well. I have a mini hairbrush, my retainer, a menstrual cup. This is by the brand Salt with 2 A's. Really love their menstrual cups. And I also have Youth to the People face wash. This is my favorite face wash ever. It's green tea spinach vitamins. And then Supergoop is my absolute favorite sunscreen. So I brought that. I have a little face razor, and then I have like an actual razor. I think this brand is Flamingo. Yeah, I really love it. I think this is my favorite razor brand. I've tried a few razors and I've landed on that being my favorite. And then I have another Cadence capsule. It's in this really cute orange color. I love it. It's so summery. And inside of it, I put a little bit of my dermatology ointment. And then the cool thing about this compartment is there are these straps which allow you to really easily like kind of make everything compact. So you can put it together and then you strap it up like that. I will actually put, when I do like finalize this packing, I'm gonna put this jacket on it as well, then pack it down. And this jacket is mainly for the French Alps, not really for like the city in Europe, but it's a Free People Movement jacket. I love it. I use it for everything. I use it for working in the van. It's very versatile, but it's also cute enough to bring to Europe, and definitely good for like climbing and all the adventures we're gonna be doing in France, because it is gonna be really cold there. So just strap that down. So on this side, first I'm actually going to have this bag. I got this off TikTok shop. It's by the brand New Bella. I really just wanted like a bag that could fit my camera gear when I'm in the city. So this one perfectly fits my camera gear. And then I have these two packing cubes. These ones do not have the mesh that the July packing cubes have on it because these are my shoes. In this packing cube, I have these brown Teva trail winders. And then we have more packing cubes. So let's just go through each one. I got this pajama set off Target. It's just really soft. I love like something soft that I can wear around the Airbnb at night. So I have these little matching pants for them as well. And I also have this Indigo Luna set. This is nice because it's easy to layer sweaters on it and stuff, but this is so soft, it's lightweight, so I can easily wear it when it's on a warmer day in Croatia, but I can also layer it up. And then I got this really nice dress set from Free People. It's so soft, it's so comfortable, it's really flattering, and I think it's just gonna be so nice for a little dinner with some red wine in Italy. And then I have a few long sleeves. So I have this long sleeve. This is also from Free People. This one's a little thicker. And then I have this one. This is also Free People. Actually, all of my long sleeves are Free People. And then this is a white long sleeve. First off is this scarf from Yellow the Label. I just feel like this is so fun. This is such a fun pop of color. I am literally obsessed with it. It's so soft, it's so warm. I love the ends on it. And I also have this brown Lululemon long sleeve jacket. It's very form-fitting. This will be good for rock climbing in France, and it'll also be good for just layering if I really need to. And then I got this sweater from Target. I really love this oatmeal color. It's a really soft sweater, honestly. And I also have this blue one, which is just another fun pop-up color. This one's from Madewell. I have this set, which I have worn a lot. This I got from Athleta, and then this set, just long sleeve. This set is from Viore. And then obviously, since I said I was going to climb, I will be bringing a harness, and I'm also going to bring my climbing shoes, and that's everything. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe because it really supports my channel. And over the next few weeks, I will be taking a break from my typical content where I'm building my van, and I will be traveling all throughout Europe, through Croatia, all around Italy and France. We have a lot of exciting adventures in store, and I'm really excited to share them with you. So if there's anything you want to see in particular, comment down below and I'll be sure to make a video about it. Until then, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!